there is a very, we think, important connection between the Supreme Court and what has just unfolded in the executive branch at the White House and the Eastern District of Virginia. And that is, we talked a couple of minutes ago about the Chief Justice's appalling opinion for the court in Trump versus United States, the case that granted the president this enormous immunity, even for potentially the commission of crimes. And I think the fact that the opinion does that is actually totally clear. There are parts of the opinion that are subject to different interpretations, but the part that says presidents are absolutely immune from criminal liability for things they tell DOJ to do, even if those things are crimes, I think that part is pretty black and white. And while I don't think that Trump told his Justice Department to go after Comey just because SCOTUS told him he's above the law in his dealings with DOJ, I am sure it assuaged any concerns that he or his lawyers might have had in any sane world in which a president, after having sworn to punish enemies, was going to actually sic his Justice Department on someone for essentially the sole reason that that person has been a thorn in his side politically.
Yeah, and just to underscore the portions of the immunity opinion that you're referencing, these are the occasions where the Supreme Court said the president's powers over investigations and prosecutions are core and exclusive to the president. So core and exclusive that it doesn't even matter if they are sham investigations or baseless prosecutions. Still, then the president can do those things subject to impunity. And that is just part of why that opinion, I think, is just so incompatible with constitutional democracy. And, on the Comey case in particular, we don't totally know the factual basis for the charges because this is a bare bones indictment, but it seems as though for any of the possibilities, there is no there.